were to choose between the Infinix Note 40 and the Note 40 Pro, I bet it would be Note 40 Pro, right?
OMG, why not?
It has 5G, an even better chip.
But what if I told you that it would make more sense to buy the regular Note 40? So in the Note 40 series, the Note 40 is the cheaper one, retailing at about $200 or 320,000 naira. The Note 40 Pro is the higher end version, having more features, thereby retailing at $270 or 400,000 naira. And since there's a huge price difference, shouldn't the Note 40 Pro smash the Note 40 in terms of features? Well, let's find out. As the lower end variant, let's see what the Note 40 brings to the table, starting off with the design. At one glance, I can tell you that this design is not for a lot of people, myself included. Nothing's wrong with it. The glass back and flat edges make it look premium. The camera module is now a huge square containing the various lenses, which now juts out quite noticeably but isn't a burden to the hand. And as impressive and bold the design is, I just feel it's quite childish and unpurposeful. If they had gone for like the design of the Redmi A3, I would be happy, but they didn't. Mind you, this is just my personal takeaway, as the design does look really bold and isn't afraid to be what it wants to be. The display is, simply put, one of the best you can get at this price. A 120Hz 1080p AMOLED panel with 1300 nits of brightness, which is good enough for outdoor use. It doesn't take color accuracy to the next level, but it's good enough that everything you do will turn out exactly as it's on the screen. And it's also protected by Gorilla Glass, which should withstand a few clumsy drops. Before we address the software, how good is this phone's hardware? Well, you get a slightly responsive optical fingerprint scanner which works slowly but surely. There is also JBL tuned stereo speakers, NFC, even IPv4 splash proof rating, which is amazing at this price. And the core soul of this phone, I'm impressed. This phone runs XOS 14 slapped on Android 14, and at first look it's not anything you haven't seen before, yes, but Infinix are promising this phone will reach Android 16, but we'll believe it when we see it. And the software is very fluid, provided by amazing performance. This phone's processor is not the best around, as it's a MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate, but it has enough things going for it. It's even backed up by 8GB of RAM, which can be doubled to 16GB via memory fusion. The storage option here is 256GB, though it's sad that there's no memory card slot for expansion. Adjusting the cameras, there's a 108MP camera aided by 2 depth cameras, so the pictures are solid. The video in both front and rear is 2K, so if you are recording a vlog or so, it will be extremely detailed, though it has its own compromises. But do you know what impressed me the most about this phone? Is the charging. This phone has a relatively normal 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, and there's even support for wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, which can be accessible by applying the hard plastic case onto the back of the phone. There's even a wireless charging pad available in the box for free. Thank you, Infinix. But I'm about to reveal why this is a better choice than the Note 40 Pro. For an additional 80,000 naira, you get the same screen, same charging, same software, and arguably same design. The only real difference is the 5G connectivity as a result of the Helio G99 Ultimate being replaced with the Dimensity 7020, which is 5G capable. In my country, Nigeria, 5G is not even fully established yet, so that doesn't add up. If you buy the Note 40 Pro, you're just spending extra for features which don't really matter. So yes, my pick is definitely the Note 40. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're literally about to hit 500 subscribers, so why don't you subscribe and join our awesome tech family? I'm Hilary, this is Harry21, and I'll catch you in the next one.